Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your monitor is only displaying 60 Hz when it should be showing 144. There are two ways to solve this. First, the most basic way is to simply select the frequency we need. Let's go into the monitor settings. Here are additional settings where we can choose the screen refresh rate. For example, this is my first monitor. On the second one, we can also select the frequency we need. There you go. If you don't see the needed frequency here, try switching it through your graphics driver control panel. Here you can also change the refresh rate. If you still can't find the right refresh rate, I recommend changing your cable. Usually HDMI and DisplayPort cables allow for higher refresh rates. For instance, an HDMI 1.4 cable can support up to 144 Hz. Yes, an HDMI 2.0 can even support 240 Hz, right? So it all depends on the cable. See, that's why I suggest changing it. That's all for now. This was Alash. Subscribe to the channel. Have a great life. Good luck to all. Bye, everyone.